Hey guys, so today we're looking at a 2022 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2205 model. This camper is at 23 feet 10 inches, width of 8 feet, and a height of 10 feet 11 inches. Dry weight of 5,132 pounds, and a gross vehicle weight of 6,794 pounds. So again, half-ton towable. You don't need any big trucks. You can definitely have a small vehicle and take this camper out with you. Azdel siding on this camper with aluminum cage construction, so very well built. Let's take a walk around it and show you what kind of features it has. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have the 2022 Rockwood Mini Lite, the 2205. Again, one of my personal favorites. Up front we have the electric jack to be able to move the camper up and down with just the press of a button. On this one we have 30-pound propane tanks, so lots of propane, don't have to fill up as much. Dual battery pack, battery storage up here, so that way you can have a little bit more electric. And the reason they're doing that is because it is a 190-watt solar panel with a 1,000-watt converter, or inverter, excuse me, standard on these campers. So it already has a solar controller and everything ready to go. You can option in a second one, as well as here you can still plug in and do a suitcase panel or an additional third one if you would like. Got great pass-through storage up here, nice and big, so you can pack some extra stuff like fishing equipment, hunting equipment, a couple of tents if you have some friends that are coming over and you don't want them to stay in the camper with you. So here you got the power jacks. Basically just press a button, front two go down at the same time. You got the same button in the back two go down at the same time. Pretty nice if you don't like hand cranking everything. So you can option it, that as an upgrade. Standard is manual. Rotating around here, you have the outside entertainment. You got 2 speakers up top. Nice TV mount, so that TV that's on the inside, just lift it up, bring it straight outside, hook straight to the side of the camper, plug, cable and satellite hookup out here. Now this specific camper has the 2-inch lift with the off-road style tires. That is an upgrade, so gives you a little bit more clearance if you're doing boondocking or anything of that nature, and a little bit more aggressive tread. So again, here's the back power jacks on this camper. Comes with a ladder standard on these, spare tire. One thing I forgot to mention, all the tires have tire pressuring monitoring systems, so you don't have to upgrade anything on these. Outside shower here on the back, so you can wash the dog when it's muddy or the kids when they get muddy. Don't have to track all that dirt on the inside. Rockwood's super nice about everything. They got everything in a nice central location. So you got your power hookup, 30 amp hookup here, as well as your city water connection, your fresh tank connection, as well as your black tank flush, all in one area, as well as your cable satellite hookups. So if you need to plug anything to the camper, it's all in one spot. And then when you go to drain the camper of all your black and gray water, it's right underneath. So hook the hose up, drain everything at once, and you don't have to go running around the camper looking for multiple connections. We're inside the camper now. As soon as you walk in the door, you have the 12-volt refrigerator, which is standard on the Rockwoods. Of course, you can upgrade to the gas electric if you would like that option. As soon as you have the battery disconnect on, this refrigerator is running and cooling your milk or any other thing you're taking with you. You do have a nice little closet here for storage with a nice shoe cubby, so you can hide your dirty shoes and everything away. So Rockwood, of course, has solid surface countertops, so if you're cutting with a knife or anything, it's not going to affect these countertops at all, as well as if you're cooking on the stove and take a hot pan and set it on the counter, it's not going to cause discoloration or warping of the counter at all. Nice dual basin sink with good covers, as well as a nice little drying rack, so good to go. Standard microwave on this one. Nice 3-burner stove with the glass backsplash that folds up. Keep the grease and everything away from the shades there. Nice little oven to be able to cook a small chicken in, but not a Thanksgiving turkey. This specific color on the cabinetry is Newport Ash. You can do the autumn wood color. Makes it a little bit darker, but the Newport Ash makes it feel nice and open. Rotating around here, Got the countertop extension, just gives you a little bit more room to prep some food, or if you want to eat on it, whatever you'd like to do. The Rockwood here has the nice entertainment center. Everything's kind of localized. So this is the TV that goes to the outside. Again, that mount just lifts up and goes straight outside. 2 speakers here. This radio controls all the speakers inside the camper as well as outside. So, or both at the same time. Right underneath of here you have the solar controller, lets you know your battery charge as well as how your solar panels are doing. So everything's nice and local. Nice little 5100 watt or 5100 BTU, excuse me, fireplace. Heats up the camper nice and warm when it's cold, but not too cold when where you need the furnace. So queen size bed in this camper. Good storage on each side. His and hers again with storage above, so you can hang all your shirts and everything, keep them nice and pressed. Countertops on each side with plug-ins, so if you want to charge your phone or anything, you don't have to climb over your significant other and plug your phone in. And or if you have a CPAP, you can plug it in and have a nice countertop, put that on. Bed does fold up, and it's aluminum framed underneath of there, so nice and sturdy, you're not going to break it. Good storage underneath of there, as well as got drawers here, put some little knickknacks in. Theater seating in this camper, nice good quality. This is the stone color. You could also go with chocolate, which is a little bit brown. Got the fold down armrest here with some cup holders and power in the middle there, so you can charge your phone and everything while you're sitting. Good viewing spot from the TV. It is power reclining, as well as it's got a pull cord so you can relax your feet while you're sitting down and enjoying the Wheel of Fortune or watch a football game, whatever you're doing. So of course, porcelain toilet in this camper, so you don't have to worry about cracking or anything during the weather changes or anything like that. Good storage there right above the toilet, so you can store all your linens, towels, anything like that, bathrobes. Good glass shower doors, good secure, keep all the water out from the rest of the bathroom. Shower miser handle there, so highly recommended. Moving over to the sink, got a nice medicine cabinet with a glass mirror so your wife can do her makeup. Store all your toothbrushes, toothpaste, deodorant, anything you need to store there. Well, thanks for walking through this Rockwood with me. Again, my name is Dalton. I work with RV Wholesalers. You can get a hold of me at 877-877-4494, extension 153. Thanks for joining me with this camper on YouTube, RV Wholesalers. You'll see this camper and many others like it. Give us a subscribe and you can see a couple more. Again, RV Wholesalers on YouTube. Thank you.